Welcome to the Size Stream at Home tutorial video. To begin, make sure you have your scan buddy, and plenty of space. Make sure to try and avoid areas with too much direct sunlight. Long hair should be put up off your neck. The headband should cover your ears. Place your thumbs through the holes at the end of the sleeves. Pull any excess fabric over your feet and smooth all wrinkles. Place your feet towards the inner edges of the circle. Grasp the scan bar with your hands around both ends, holding the bar against your body. Start by pressing the Scan Now button. The scan buddy should start walking counterclockwise around the scannee in a slow, smooth manner. If they encounter a red sector, simply step back to that area until it turns green, and then continue their walk again, keeping the scannee's head inside of the outlined green box. Once all the sectors are green, you are finished. When prompted, upload the scan and see your results.